Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a close look at the 2025 Subaru Crosstrek, one of the most popular compact crossovers in its class. This year's model brings a mix of refined styling, smart interior updates, better driving dynamics, and an overall package that stays true to Subaru's rugged, all-weather ready DNA. The 2025 Crosstrek stands out immediately with its slightly redesigned exterior. Subaru hasn't gone overboard with changes, but they've sharpened things up just enough to make it feel modern and more athletic. The front grille is now broader with a honeycomb mesh pattern and blends seamlessly into the updated LED headlights. Subaru also added more defined body lines and new wheel arch cladding, giving it a tougher stance. The rear end has seen subtle tweaks too, with slimmer taillights and a reshaped tailgate for a cleaner look. Ground clearance still sits at a respectable 8.7 inches, which is great for mild off-roading and poor weather conditions. A new set of alloy wheels is offered depending on the trim level, with 17 and 18-inch options available. Inside the cabin, the 2025 Crosstrek brings a noticeable improvement in materials and layout. Subaru has finally upgraded the seats with better bolstering and cushioning, making long trips more comfortable. Higher trims get soft touch surfaces on the dash and doors, and there's contrast stitching throughout to add a premium feel. At the center of the dash is a large 11.6-inch vertical touchscreen running the latest Subaru Starlink system. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and response time is much quicker compared to the previous generation. Physical buttons are still present for climate controls, which is a welcome touch for ease of use while driving. The instrument cluster remains partly analog but includes a small digital display for customizable driver info. Space in the second row is generous for the segment, with good headroom and legroom for adult passengers. Cargo space behind the rear seats offers about 20 cubic feet, expanding to over 55 cubic feet with the seats folded, making it practical for camping gear or road trip luggage. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Crosstrek offers two engine choices depending on the trim. The base trims come with a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine producing around 152 horsepower. It's adequate for city driving and occasional highway use, but if you want more power, the higher trims feature a 2.5-liter four-cylinder that delivers 182 horsepower. This engine is more responsive and better suited for merging and passing on the highway. Both engines are paired with a CVT automatic transmission, and as always with Subaru, all-wheel drive is standard across the lineup. Handling is predictable and confident, especially in bad weather or on gravel roads. Subaru's X mode is included for added traction on slippery surfaces and light off-roading. The ride quality is smooth, with a suspension setup that soaks up bumps well, yet still offers a bit of road feedback. Fuel economy is respectable, with the smaller engine returning around